Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike. Show you underground parking garage. This is a Special Ops 007. You can see it's very moist and wet down here. There's this big overhang underneath this. Way up there is the street. You come down here, this is like a dungeon in here, man. No headroom, okay. There's brick. There's the springs. There's the operator rail. Here's the arm. And there's the end of the rail. Where's the opener head? Ta-da! There it is. So it's an old John Greene mounted backwards. And then they spindled it here with a small little coupler, pin in the chain, sprocket. Okay. We won this account. We're going to put a new door and opener in here, but I wanted to make a quick video to show you the before. This is quite a treat here. Here's the close button. There it is. Chain's kind of kinked right there. Obviously there's a lot of moisture down here, and this chain is just, this system has had it. It's probably been in here for over 20 years. This old Johnny Greene did its job, but it is a low head outside mount. Probably going to change that to inside mount, get that stinking cable on the inside for safety purposes. It is a dual end style, so that's good. These are all metal wheels. We'll put in our premium 13-ball Thanxx. You can see the rust is setting in here. This is just a bad seal. Outside mount I'm not a big fan of because it pulls the bottom section out this way. I don't like it. They're also going to be putting in a bit better window. This little window you can't see nothing out of. I think they're going to put like a row of windows in here would be good. Get some more light in here. This is just a very poorly lit area, and like I said, it's just a very dark and dreary underground parking garage. But anyways, you got the safety eyes mounted up here, Omrons with a reflector right there. Okay, got some track guards on here. I haven't seen those in quite some time. We've installed these before in the past. These are nice, they go by the track, so the theory is if you smash into it with the car, it'll save the track and you'll smash into that. See those a lot at docks because the forklift drivers are insane most of the time. Open sesame, here we go. The call to come out here today was door wasn't opening, and I don't know what that was, but I found upon investigation a fray in that cable, and that is probably due to this bearing. There's a little play right in there, little bit, and that's all it takes is a little bit, and that bearing's off by a quarter inch or something. Your bearings are not the same, and then you're going to fray that cable out. It could be a bad cable too, I don't know. They also have a hose in here. We're going to close this door. I'm going to jump on the hose and see. This system's just about had it. They're going to be hopefully signing up a contract for us to come out real soon because that opener is going to croak soon. So here we go. I'm going to just do a little step on, and it works fine. So there's a specialty. We're probably going to do something similar, I would imagine, with the new opener. I'm going to turn off the power here. We'll probably do something similar with the new opener and reuse some of this stuff, like these greased bearings. These are good. The solid shaft we'll probably reuse. We might even reuse this rail and just put in a new chain system and just hook the new head unit up to there. And that's it. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyways. Let me take you outside here because yay, the sun. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's pretty brutal. That's probably the most brutalest underground parking garage I've ever worked on, just because of how dark and dreary it is down there. My goodness. You can see the building here. It's huge, so there's a bunch of people that have their car in there. So there's Old Faithful there. Thank you for watching our video. Specialty Ops Underground Parking Garage Door Opener. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment. You could drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.